principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I would like to wish you all Happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August and we are celebrating our country's 79th Independence Day. On this day, we honor the sacrifice of our freedom fighters Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others. We hide our national flag on this day. Everybody sing the national anthem. Jai Hind. Thank you.